Hi, and welcome to How to Install a Rear-Facing Car Seat. You should select a car seat based on your child's height, weight, and age that also fits your vehicle, and you can use correctly every time. Children should ride rear-facing from birth to at least 1 year old. Children should continue to ride rear-facing as long as possible until he or she reaches the top height or weight limit allowed by your car seat's manufacturer. Rear-facing only seats can only be used rear-facing. Convertible and all-in-one seats can also be used rear-facing and typically have higher weight limits for the rear-facing mode. This allows you to keep your child rear-facing longer. We'll get to step-by-step instructions in just a minute. But before we begin, let's very briefly cover why a rear-facing car seat is so vital to a child's safety. The reason why is simple: physics. If a vehicle is going 45 miles per hour, then the child inside is also going 45 miles per hour. And when that vehicle comes to a sudden stop, either from hitting the brakes or a crash, well, the child's body wants to continue moving at 45 miles per hour, which means car seats and seat belts are critical to protecting the child and limiting the amount of force from a sudden stop or crash. The good news is that a rear-facing car seat supports a child's back, neck, and head early in a crash. This is especially important because the early contact reduces the crash forces that push against the child and provides valuable protection, which greatly reduces the risk of serious injury and death. There are 3 main types of rear-facing car seats: rear-facing only, convertible, and all-in-one. The following demonstration should work for any brand of car seat purchased, but you still should check both the car seat manual and the portion of the vehicle owner's manual on car seats, as every car seat and vehicle is a bit different. To start, select a seating position in the back seat of the vehicle. The back seat is the safest place for children to travel under the age of 13. At this point, make sure the harness webbing on your child's seat is adjusted to the proper height. For children riding rear-facing, the harness webbing should be at or below the shoulders. Some car seat manufacturers offer a sliding adjustment on the top of the car seat, while others require a manual adjustment behind the car seat shell, which should be done prior to install. To install a rear-facing car seat in your vehicle, you can use either the seatbelt or the lower anchors. Neither system is safer than the other. It depends on preference and what is appropriate for your child, their car seat, and the seating position in the vehicle. If using the seatbelt, simply thread the lap and shoulder belt through the car seat's rear-facing belt path, making certain there are no twists, and buckle. Press down firmly on the car seat and remove any slack from the lap portion of the seatbelt. Seatbelts need to be switched into locking mode to secure the car seat to the vehicle. To lock the seatbelt, slowly pull the shoulder portion of the seatbelt from the top retractor until you hear this noise. Some car seats have built-in lock-offs right on the seat. You should always check the car seat owner's manual to determine if the seatbelt should be locked when using a car seat's lock-off. If you prefer to use the lower anchors, you'll need to determine if the vehicle is equipped, and you can locate the approved lower anchor positions in your vehicle owner's manual. If the vehicle does have lower anchors, you'll attach the lower anchor connectors of the car seat to these anchors. Press down firmly on the car seat and tighten the lower anchor webbing, removing the slack. How do you know if it's tight enough, whether you're installing with a seatbelt or lower anchors? The car seat should not move more than 1 inch side to side or back and forth at the belt path. Next, you're going to want to make sure your car seat is installed at the correct recline angle. Recline angle is critically important to ensure the child's head, neck, and spine are protected in the event of a crash, and allow for correct airway position for young children. Rear-facing car seats will have a recline indicator to assist you in achieving the correct recline angle, and parents and caregivers should follow the instructions, labels, and recline indicators on their car seat. Now you're ready to place the child in the car seat and correctly position the harness. The harness webbing should lie flat, not twisted, and be in the slot at or below the child's shoulders. Once you've done that, buckle the harness, the chest clip, and tighten. You'll know the harness is snug enough if you can't pinch any extra webbing at the shoulder once the harness is tightened. When the harness is snug enough, place the chest clip at armpit level. That's it. The child in your care is now ready to roll out into the world with you. And it's important to remember, keep children in a rear-facing car seat until they outgrow it, either by weight or height.